she's somewhere in the Atlanta, Georgia area. No telephone number for her. Correct?
Don't have her number. She changed her number so often, and then she goes on the internet and she does crazy stuff with the baby, man.
Okay, tell me what you observed.
I observed the baby had a fever. The baby was sick, and then the baby was crying. It was about 2 a.m, and she shut the door, the bedroom door that the baby was in, so that she could entertain her viewers on her internet live, quote unquote live. And she said, "You could go." She was talking out loud and said, "You could go ahead and cry. I'm not. You can't stop me from talking to my people on the internet." And she shut the door, left the baby in the door, and then she made a comp. So she would go back and forth between the internet live. You know, like when someone goes live on the internet? So she would go back and forth on the video live and to make you sleep. Which he already probably had a dose from earlier because he had a fever. So you're not supposed. So people were on the live telling her, don't give the baby medicine just like that. So you have to, it goes by dosage, and it depends on the last time he had his last dose. Pick the baby up, take the baby out of the bedroom, hold your baby, comfort your baby. You just came off of a flight with him. You had him in another state. He was running a fever. Comfort and nurture your baby. She said, she started blocking people. I don't want nobody to tell me what to do with my baby. I'm going to do whatever I want to do with my baby. And she said, I'm going to give you medicine to make you sleep. And he was crying till like 4 a.m. because she was on the internet for hours. And every time she would go back and forth. And there's screen recordings. So I have proof that I can email when you're ready.
And also she slapped the baby to sleep.
Her cry, you said, until about 4 o'clock in the morning.
Yeah, the cry. But this is not the first time that she's done this. There's past screen recordings. I don't think that y'all are really taking this serious enough, because there have been people who have said that they have reported this behavior before. And there's screen recordings of her ill-treating the baby. And she was also recently released from jail. She was recently incarcerated. So you guys need to take a closer look at this family. She really probably needs a psychosocial evaluation and a psychiatric evaluation. I believe that the mother is mentally ill. I used to be a mandated reporter.
Okay, so you're saying that this is not the first time that the mom was seen on live while the baby needed her attention.
No, she ill-treats him very often on live. She'll leave him crying for more than 20 minutes, which if any WebMD or if you look it up, if a baby is sick or if discomforting, after 15 minutes of crying, you really need to tend to your baby. You don't leave a baby crying 20, 30, 40 minutes or hours off and on.
Okay.
She has.
Are these concerns happening right now as we speak?
Yes, these concerns are happening right. It has happened in the last 24 hours. It's a big concern that a lot of people are in uproar about the situation. Mm-hmm. And I witnessed it with my own 2 eyes, no hearsay.
The mom has access to the child, but no one knows where she's located for anyone.
No, because she...
Okay, and what's his name?
The father name is Howie, Howie, but I don't know the last name.
John,
no, I don't.
Okay.
No, I don't.
The allegations that you reported, you observed these things yourself via the internet. Is that correct?
Yes, that is very true. I did with this Instagram. I will hold my hand up to the Bible and swear on the oath. I know what I witnessed. Go ahead.
I'm just asking you to reiterate to make sure that I understood you correctly. So what I would do is back this information with my supervisor, and then we'll send it over to the county to see how they can assist.
Thank you.
You're welcome. Thank you for calling.
Do you have a reference number?
Have a good evening.
Do you have a reference number that I can follow up?
You would use the mom's name. If you call back, we don't have a reference number as of yet.
Okay, so call back and just give the mom's name, Ivany Wright, and then I can get a follow-up.
Well, due to HIPAA violations, there's going to be very limited information that you can get, but you can call back if you'd like.
Okay, thank you so much, and please take this serious. This is not a joke. This is not a game.
Oh,
we're not
serious, ma'am.
Okay, thank you.
Thank you. You have a nice day.
You too. Bye-bye. Don't talk. Too much fuckery and go on. I feel for the baby. Not no blood clot lie. I feel it last night. Come and witness it with my own 2 eyes. She's disgusting. And this is not the first time that I saw a video. I saw a clip some months ago before she went to prison. That